Welcome back. Next, we're going to be looking at drawing things very accurately. One of the things that we're going to want to do here is we want to put a circle in the corner here and here and here and here. And we want those circles to be exactly in specific places. So if I grab the circle tool and I just hover over and draw my circle, I can be specific about how big that circle is. But I haven't been very specific about where it is. Again, I can go over here and I can try my hardest. You can even count the squares and try and line it up with the squares and then make that one 4 again. But this is not very accurate. With Fusion, we want to be incredibly accurate. So what we can do is we can place the circles roughly where they need to be. And then we can use this tool here, and this tool is called Sketch Dimension. Again, this one here has a shortcut, the key D. If you press D, it will shortcut to this because you're supposed to be using this a lot. We don't want things that are drawn by going, yeah, that'll do. We want to be specific. If I want all of these circles to be in specific places, I need to tell the computer and tell Fusion where I want them to be. So we're going to start with this one because this one's nice and far away and it's nowhere close to where it should be. We're going to press the Sketch Dimension tool and then we're going to select the circle and the thing that we want to measure away from. So I want the middle of this circle, and as soon as I select anywhere on the edge, it will select the middle, to be a set distance away from here. In fact, I want it to be 10 millimeters away, exactly 10 millimeters away. So I select the circle, I select the line, and you can see at the moment it's 9.5. So if I select that and I type in 10, it will move it ever so slightly. If I click here and now click this line, it will change how far away it is this way. So again, I'm going to type in 10, and now this circle is exactly 10 millimeters away from here and 10 millimeters away from here. At this point, I look at this and I say, oh, I was way out with 10 millimeters. I actually want it to be closer to 5 mil away. Well, what I can do is I can press the Show Dimensions tick here, and you'll see that those dimensions come back up. So I can select this one and just move it this way, and this one move it this way. That one is how wide my circle is. And I don't want it to be 10. Well, what I can do here is I can double click on this, and this allows me to edit it again. So I can type in 5 and it moves it 5. I can double click on this one, type in 5 and move it 5. Now it's 5 mil away. I can even go as far as saying, well, actually, I don't want it 4. I want it to be 10 or 100 or whatever it is I want it to be. We'll keep it as 4. And that will update it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to change all of my circles so they're all the same distance away from the corner. And I'm going to use the D button on my keyboard to make this quicker. So I'm going to press the D button. You'll see that next to the mouse, the cursor, the symbol has changed to match the symbol up here. Press the edge, press the line, and I'm going to tell the computer I was close with 4.94, but I want it to be exactly 5. Here to here, I want it to be exactly 5. Go around to this one, from here to here, I want it to be exactly 5. From here to here, I want it to be exactly 5. What we're doing by doing this is we are making it very accurate. We are creating something that is exact, not rough. And that means that if I were to laser cut this out, like we might do in our project, I could laser 100 of these and every single one would be the same. And if I rotated it round or flipped it over, they'd be the same because each side is 5 mil away. Take a screenshot of this, go corner to corner, get that on a screenshot, and if I haven't said so before, don't forget to press the save button. You don't want to save any of your miss any of your progress, and you don't want to shut down Fusion and then have to redo things. So press save and take a screenshot, please. And I'll see you again soon.